In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 things that you should do if you're broke. Yes, so or you're struggling with cash. If this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching all the way till the end. Yes, I know sometimes it can be a bit embarrassing. It can be embarrassing. No one actually sets out to become broke. A loan here, a bad investment there, and a couple of 100 swipes on your credit card later, and we have no idea how we landed in this state. You don't have to be living out of your car to be broke. Yes, you can actually be broke without you can actually be broke and you have a place to stay. So broke is actually living paycheck to paycheck with no savings intact. Yes, broke is being in debt up to your eyeballs. Broke is buying a brand new car for $30,000 because you can afford the monthly payments, but you don't have enough in your bank account to cover a $1,000 emergency. The funny thing is, we live in a culture that calls this type of living normal, but we don't do normal on this channel. We believe in being weird. So if you want to break the mold and live like no one else, here are some actionable steps that you can take to turn your financial situation around. If this is something you're interested in, please do not touch the dial. Keep on watching this video all the way till the end. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I want to know you. I want to meet you. Well, guys, what part of the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your incredible love and support. I see you guys, and I appreciate you all from the depths of my heart. God bless you. So guys, don't even lie. Face the situation. Be real. And be honest with yourself and everyone. If you don't face this reality, you can't fix it. That's the truth. So avoidance might feel like a great, short-term strategy to find comfort in the meantime, but avoidance is also a guaranteed long-term strategy to achieve misery. So avoiding this situation, the fact that you're broke, it will only empower you to continue the same spending behavior that got you into trouble in the first place. So it's time to actually get real and realize that there's a dire situation and you must develop new ways of thinking, spending, and saving. So come with me, let's go. So the first tip is to take immediate action. So as soon as you realize that you are in financial trouble, it is time to take immediate action. So sit down, go through your bills, itemize everything, and be honest about your spending, and immediately start cutting out services and expenses that are not absolutely necessary for your survival. Rather than taking the approach of whittling away your excess spending over a period of months, go in literally and obliterate expenses starting right now. In fact, today, don't worry, you can always add things that you love back into your life later, but today, once you are back in a stable financial place, you can do that. But for now, slash your spending mercilessly. Yes, so the next tip I have for you guys today is to ask for help. Yes, so guys, verbalize the reality of the situation. Yes, with the people in your life. Say it out. Ask for help. In my tribe, I'm a Nigerian, by the way, and I'm Yoruba, and they say "Eni to ba dake tare abe dake." If you don't speak out, how will people be able to help you? So verbalize your situation. Open your mouth and say it. Because how would people know that you have this problem if you don't say it out? Nobody has that magic wand to see your heart or to see what you're thinking in your head. Yes, so go ahead and ask for help. So just in case you don't know, the longer you tell yourself lies and avoid seeking external help, the longer you're going to continue with your problematic behavior, and the longer the situation will persist and grow. So guess what? Asking for help can include asking your family, your friends, and colleagues for ideas on how to add value in your career, how to grow revenue, and what to do in order to stand out in the marketplace. For help can also include asking for a financial handout. Yes, depending on the kind of financial situation that you find yourself. Asking yourself may require that you swallow your pride and sacrifice the ego. Because in the long run, in the long term, asking for help can leave you feeling strong, bold, and supported, while also setting you up to receive abundance and wealth later on. Yes, so the next tip I have for you is to live on less. Yes, less than you make. Take a hard look at your take-home pay and outgo each month. Make a monthly zero-based budget, and you might be surprised by how much extra dough is slipping through your fingers every month. I'm telling you, grab that money and tell it where to go. It might also look like you've given yourself an automatic raise. That's the truth. Another thing you can do is to increase your income. This has always been my mantra right from when I started working, right from the onset. When I have a job, when I was working, I also have a side hustle. Yes, when I had my first job, I was selling shoes. Yeah, when I got my second job, I was making my salary in one day. Yeah, so on my side hustle, that's one way you can easily snap out of this rat race. Yes, so you are not like everyone else. All of you are working together, but you're not mates. You know what I'm saying? Because you have a business that you run on the side and you're making good money, cool cash. So yes, my next tip is for you to increase your income. So guys, one way to also increase your income is to look for side jobs that you can pick up. Yes, whether dog walking or delivering pizza or even freelancing. Is there overtime available at work that you can actually take on? Maybe it's even time for you to get up the guts and ask your boss for a raise. Yes, go and ask your boss for a raise. And if you feel that you have reached the end of your current field of endeavors, try looking at other new career paths that can generate more income for you. Now, another thing I want to advise you to do is to retool. Yes, you actually need to transition from leisure time to learning and training time. Ask yourself, what new skills can I learn right now? What new competencies must I develop? What is everybody else doing in my industry or career that I can follow or that I can implement? Yes, guess what? It is actually easy to make money than you think. And like I always say on this channel, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. See, when I was working, my first job, when I worked in the bank, I don't know payday. I don't wait for payday because I don't rely on payday to survive. You know, so when you have a side hustle, you have another business that brings you whether active or passive income, please by all means go for it. Because you don't want to live your life like a pauper for the rest of your life. You want to actually set yourself up financially savvy. You want to be able to pay for vacation trips, spend money without feeling it. I'm telling you, when I worked in the bank, I was balling. Yes. So you can actually make sure that when you have a job, make sure that you are not constantly waiting paycheck to paycheck. Waiting for your salaries to come in or your pay to come in at the end of the month or bi-weekly or bi-monthly before you are able to survive. Make sure that you have a side hustle. And see, when I say side hustle, it doesn't have to start big. Like I said, I was making my salary in one day, but of course it didn't start from that particular hustle. It didn't start from that one-time deal. So you can start small. You can start by selling or reselling things on eBay. You can start by creating an online store. I have a list of videos. Check out my other videos. I have some ideas on side hustles that you can start. These are side hustles that you can start alongside with your full-time job. Yes, you can actually start a side hustle. You can start with furniture remodeling. Yes, you can actually purchase furniture or get furniture for free, maybe from Facebook Marketplace. Pimp it up. You can pimp it up and sell at a higher price. I'm telling you, like I said, money is actually everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. And this is why I always implore you guys, this is your money making channel. I am your business mogul. When it comes to everything money making online, different ways to make money, I am your plug. Here I help to also identify opportunities. Yes, so opportunities that are lying everywhere that you might not see. Like I said, money is everywhere. This is the third time I'm mentioning it, or the second time I'm saying it in this video. Money is actually everywhere. You need to know where to look. I hope this video has blessed you, and I hope this video has actually sparked your creativity. You're able to think of things that you're actually proficient in, that you can offer as a service in exchange for money. Yeah, so I hope this video has inspired you to think of ways to make money outside of your full-time job, or outside of depending on your monthly paycheck. Yeah, so I hope I've inspired you one way or the other. If this video has blessed you, you know how we do it. Please click on the subscribe button in case you have not liked this video. Join the family, subscribe to my channel. Why don't you like this girl that you're seeing? Join this family. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Share this video with your friends and your loved ones. And of course, I've got juicy information for you guys in my next video. It promises to be explosive. I'm going to be sharing ways by which you can make money that no one is willing to share with you. Yeah, make it a date with your girl. And of course, I will see you in my next video. If anyone is doubting how far you can go, please go so far that you can't even hear them anymore. Alright guys, I'll see you in my next video. Take care of yourselves and bye for now.